Hey, Matt here, and welcome to another Mob Street video. Now today I'm out here with my 2021 TW200, and if you own a TW, you know that finding replacement tires in the stock sizes is kind of difficult. However, Dunlop makes the K180 in the stock size for the TW200. If you're interested in how those tires do, whether or not they're worth buying, well, stick around because that's what I'm going to go over right now. Now, when I bought this 2021, I wanted to set it up a little bit different than my 2019. And one thing that I really wanted to try out on this were the Dunlop K180s. Now, they come in the stock size, the 130/80/18 on the front and the 180/80/14 on the rear. So they were just a direct replacement for the stock tires. And one of the reasons that I really wanted to try them is because they are a flat track inspired tire. The tread on these things is awesome. And I just really wanted that flat track look for the TW200. And I've got almost 1,000 miles on them now. So hopefully I can give you a little bit of insight on whether or not you should buy the tires. First off, the Dunlops are one of the most expensive tire that you can get for the TW in the stock size. The front and the rear are going to be about $130 to $140 a piece depending on where you get them. I bought these at Rocky Mountain ATV. I'll put the link in the description below. And if you want to help support the Mob Street channel, that's one way you can do it, is ordering your parts through the Rocky Mountain link in the description below. One place that these tires absolutely shine so far that I've been really happy with them is on the road. So I've been using this as a commuter back and forth to work. I'm putting about 45 miles a day on it, and I'm going, you know, 2-lane highway and just back roads, and the tires have been great. They grip extremely well. There's no vibration. There's no anything in there that kind of takes the confidence away. They're a good, strong tire. They corner well, they grip well when you're braking. So on the road, they do pretty darn good. I'm happy with them there. The next place that they do really well is on the hard packed dirt. I've messed around with the tire pressure a little bit on these, and on the road and in the hard pack, they do good. So I mess with the tire pressure because some places that I haven't been the happiest with them are on gravel, and secondly, on the loose dirt. The other night, I was up in the hills. I hit some really soft dirt, kind of like that flour dirt that's just soft and loose. I hit that, the front tire washed out from underneath me. I was able to stop it, and there was basically no grip whatsoever. These ones, I've just felt a little squirrely in areas that I don't feel squirrely with the stock rear tire and the SR241 on my 2019. For the price, if you're going to be using your bike basically for the street or for hard packed dirt, yeah, the Dunlops are a great tire. Now I want to show you the tread on these because, like I said, I've got almost 1,000 miles on them, and the tread is holding up extremely well. The wear so far on them has been really good, and like I said, it's only 900 to just under 1,000 miles. So if you're looking for a good tire that is going to be good for the roads and the hard pack stuff, definitely look at the Dunlop K180s. I've been happy with them for the most part. I've done a little bit of off-roading with them, and I think just casual riding, just here and there, yeah, they're going to be great. They're going to be a good tire to go with. If you're going to do a little bit more aggressive off-road riding, these might not be the ones you want to go with. But overall, I think as far as just whether it be commuting or hard pack or just casual riding, yeah, the Dunlop K180 is definitely a tire worth looking into. So if there's any questions or comments, or if you're running the Dunlops on your bike, let me know how many miles have you got on them so far. How do you like them? Maybe your experience with them is better than what my experience with them has been, and they do pretty well off-road. It's probably just my riding skill needs to be improved quite a bit. So again, questions or comments, put those down below. As always, make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. And we'll call her there. I'm Matt. This is my 2021 TW200. This is my review on the Dunlop K180s. This is Mob Street. Thanks for watching.